Here I've got Huawei Y7 2019, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, from your home screen, you have to select the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select System. And now you will find here a reset, so just click on it, and from those options select Network Settings Reset, so the second option. You have to be aware that this will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and also Bluetooth. So just tap on Network Setting Reset if you truly want to do it. You have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone, but if you are 100% sure that you want to perform it, just tap on Network Settings Reset. And as you can see, network settings have been reset. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.